What's up guys, it's Jazz, and as you can see, I'm not in the video right now. We're gonna try a different little format here. So this is the 11-month pup box. As you can see, we just got done taking the photos for it, and I don't really feel like boxing it up just to unbox it again this time. So this month we have goat's milk again, which we haven't had since their first box. We have these advanced calming support chews, which are essentially non-CBD CBD. Some liver lovey training treats. This actual deep dish collapsible bowl, which is kind of nice because like usually these are like half the size, and big dogs, like, this is kind of nice. I will say this is one of the better things we've gotten in a while. We also have this cute little mermaid sloth. Like, how adorable is that? So cute. And as Dolly gets towards it, this really awesome ball, which this is why it's awesome. It's not just because it's a ball. It lights up. So yeah, good for playing out in the dark. Of course, we have our It's Almost Your Birthday, because this is the 11-month box. And then we'll figure out if they're going to keep growing or not. Keeping working on your leave-its, playtimes, finding your treats, and their first yearly checkup coming up. As well as this one was sent out right before 4th of July, so it has a lot of stuff about making sure that your dog is taken care of during 4th of July, fireworks, all of that, making sure they're microchipped, all that good stuff. But yeah, should I let them have the toys? I feel like I should. You guys can't even see Dolly. She's perfectly hiding back there. Okay, get it. Just gonna like move the box here. Merle, take. God. Now I'm gonna try to get them on camera for a little bit here. Yeah, they've been trying to get that sloth from me since I opened the box. That's not gonna last very long. And you'll see why, because when this goes out, we'll also be having the July pup box or bark box, in which we did upgrade them to super chewers. So keep your eyes out for that, because that will be coming out soon. I'll let them play with this for a little bit, and I will see you guys in the next video. She won. Bye.
Hey guys.